Hello, and today for the Pokemon unboxing series, we have a special guest. Wait, I was letting you say your own name, but you didn't do anything. Okay, so our first Pokemon is a Garuki. It is a 70 health grass type Pokemon. It does scratch and beat, which does 10 damage and 20. And how much do you like this Pokemon?
Like scale of 1 to 100 or 1 to 10?
1 to 10. I don't think we're doing 1 to 100.
6.
6?
Because he looks cute.
Okay. I do it like 10. I'll do like a 5. I mean a 9. I do like a 9. I would do like a 9 for that one because it's one of my favorite Pokemons. This is Tepig, a fire type Pokemon. It has 80 health. One of its moves is Live Coal, which does 10 damage, and Rollout, which does 40. And its weakness is a water type. And how much do you like this? Also, it's a fire pig. Come on.
I'm saying I'm gonna go 8 because it's cute and Rollout does a bunch of damage.
Okay. I'd do 8 too.
Except it only do 20 damage. Oh well.
Okay, this is Coughing, a poison type Pokemon, only 60 health. One of its moves is Blow Away Bomb. Okay, I don't know what it does really.
Once during your turn, when you discard this Pokemon,
okay, let's just not read it. It's blah, blah, blah.
And Poisonous Gas is 10 damage. And I'm reading it because it's so good.
Yeah.
And it's terrible.
I do like a 3. It's still a good Pokemon to have. This is Machoke. Okay, we have Machoke. Has 90 health, is a fighting type Pokemon. Karate Chop is one of its moves. It does 60 minus damage. What?
It's a 60 minus 10 damage for each. Oh wow. This is 60 minus 10 for each damage counter.
That doesn't make any sense, but submission. This Pokemon does 20 damage to itself, and it does 80 damage to the other Pokemon. Its weakness is a poison, and I don't know if we should rate this a good or a bad. I would rate it good. I would like a 5 because I like its health, but yeah, not really. So I'll do like a 5. So next Pokemon is.
I'm rating it a 0.
Yeah, 0.
Ooh,
Amoonguss.
Among Us.
Amoonguss. It's really pronounced Among Us. No, it's Amoonguss.
I'm joking for those Among Us fans.
Look. Among Us.
Among Us.
I can actually make it spell Among Us, but okay.
100 health.
Leaf, and I'm guessing a poison type too. Venoshock, one of its moves,
20
plus damage. This attack does 70 more damage if your opponent's active Pokemon is poisoned. Which makes no sense, because this makes them poisoned, so you could just use this twice and... I like this guy.
What do you rate it? I'm rating it an 8.
I rate it 9. He would have been a 10, but his looks are bad.
His looks so bad. Next.
Simisear. Jinx!
I said Simisear, not Simisear.
Well, it's a Simisear. Simisear, some people say. It might be a Simisear. Who knows? It is 90 health as a fire-type Pokemon. Evolves from Pansear. It does scratch.
You mean Pansear?
I said Pansear!
I said Pansear.
It's not Pansear.
No.
Scratch is 30 damage. Flare Recharge is 50 damage, and it's a fire type move. And
Looks.
its weakness is water.
Duh.
And what should we rate it?
What do you rate it, Reese?
I rate it a go bye-bye.
I'm rating it a 7.
A go bye-bye is when you don't want to rate it.
Okay. Well, the reason I rated it a 7 is because it's cool. 2.
Yanma, a 70 health grass type Pokemon.
I had Yanmega.
Who cares?
It evolves into it.
It's a clear wing Pokemon. Scout. Your opponent reveals his or her hand. Speed Dive does 40 damage. And it's a electric type. Well, its weakness is an electric type. It's not electric type. I rate it a go bye-bye. I don't know.
Rated 0.
Why? He's pretty good. He's good. He does 40 damage.
Yanmega does 120.
It's because its evolved form is Yamega.
So, and it has 140 health.
Do you think a Yanma would be better than its evolved form? No. No, it's not. Not at all. Pikachu is 60 health, is an electric type. One of its moves is Meal Time. Flip a coin until you get tails. For each head, draw a card. In Gana's, one of its moves is 20 damage.
I think
It's Gana.
it's
It's Gana!
no.
No. And its weakness is fighting.
It's 2 for me.
It's a 100 for me.
Okay, let's get to a good one now.
Pikachu's my favorite one.
0.
You already rated 0,
Yes.
and it's like a good Pokemon, you know.
Yeah, sure.
It's a Tangela. Is 80 health. Is a grass Pokemon. It does bind, one of its moves. It does 20 damage, and if you flip a coin, if it's heads, your opponent active Pokemon is now paralyzed. And Poison Powder, 30 damage. If your opponent's active Pokemon is now poisoned.
Okay, I'm rating it a 3. Okay.
And its weakness is fire.
Duh.
Goodbye. I give it a 5. This is the last one. A Gastrodon. 120 health. Fighting type. Air Fluid. Yeah, look! How much time we have left? Air Fluid. Earthquake does 120 damage. Air Fluid does 30. And its weakness is grass. I give it a 10.
I give it a 9.
It is a water type.
Alrighty, next one.
No, this is our last one.
We're almost do that.
We don't have enough time. We gotta go.
Rage, 20 plus damage. Horn attack, 60 damage. Mad Bull GX, 30 times damage.
We don't have enough
120.
time.
Done.
We don't have enough. We didn't have enough time though.